Three tips that will help you get your 4,000 watch hours so real quick. If you're a new YouTuber and your problem is 4,000 watch hour and you have been trying your best, not still seeing the results. So make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to list three tips that I tried that worked for me, and I pray if you try it also, it will help you. So number one is post constantly. When I mean constantly, it's not about short video, post long video. That is long video that will give you your 4,000 watch hour. Post long video in engaging content, and if you don't know the content or the niche you want to do because you're a new YouTuber, you're still confused, then you ask smart by reacting in people's video, long video that you know that is interesting, and if you post it, people must engage. Then you post those ones. So maybe let me say 6 months or 3 months, you will understand the niche and what you want to be doing in your YouTube channel. Then you now start posting yours. You understand? You react on people's video. React on it, because if you didn't react on it, they will give you copyright. That's one thing. If you just carry and paste, if you just carry the video and just paste it on your video, they will give you copyright because that is someone else's fault. The reason you need to react on it is just for you to put yours. You need to work for it. Because that video is someone's effort, you need to work for it. That's how you have to react. Create something. Maybe you can say something or you just put your picture on something like that. That's what I mean by reacting video. So that it will help you get your 4,000 watch hour, especially long video. I said long video. So number second is live streaming. Yes, if you know that you have gotten like 50 subscribers, you can start streaming. Streaming will help you get your 4,000 watch hour. It helps you get watch hour because the time you stay, people that stayed, interaction, it counts, the engagement counts, and the more you stream and stream, your watch hour increase and it keep on reading. Imagine streaming like, let me say 20 times. If you are a steady streamer and you stay long, I promise you, your 4,000 watch hour, you are going to get it real quick. Is this streaming? Yes, streaming is the best way to get your 4,000 watch hour. Streaming long video. If people are watching your long video, if you are streaming, that's the two fast ways to get your 4,000 watch hour. There is nothing that you can do. There is no two ways about it. Post constantly, long video and stream. The last one, that's the third one, is prayer. You need to pray. Commit your channel to God's hand. Pray, put it there. When you are working hard, then you pray, put it in prayer, because the video that will lead you, that will make you go to your 4,000 watch hour might not be the one you are expecting. I pray that God should push your video to the right audience. That's the three tips that will help you grow your account. That's the three things I've been doing in this YouTube that is growing my account, and I pray if you try it, it will help you. Thanks, bye.